Let me tell you something most people never realize. You do not need to be an expert to start making money. Because right now, you probably already know something valuable. Maybe you can edit videos. Maybe you know coding. Maybe you understand fitness. Maybe you can draw. Maybe you're good at speaking English. Maybe you know marketing. Maybe gaming. Maybe science. But here's the problem. You know a little, not too little, not too much. And that middle stage destroys people. Because beginners are excited, experts are confident, but intermediates? We overthink everything. We keep saying, I need more practice. I'm not ready yet. I need another course. I'll start later. That was literally me. I kept learning, watching tutorials, saving videos, taking notes. But earning? Zero. And one day I noticed something painful. People with less skill than me were already making money online. Not because they were smarter. Because they stopped waiting. That's when I realized something important. Knowledge alone is useless. If you don't apply it, it becomes entertainment. So I asked myself one question. Where can my current knowledge solve problems? And suddenly everything changed. If you know designing, start freelancing. If you know math or science, start tutoring. If you know gaming or productivity, start a YouTube channel. If you know coding, apply for remote jobs. You don't need mastery to begin. You just need to be useful. That's it. Most people think freelancing means being world-class. Wrong. Clients usually want simple solutions. Simple thumbnails, simple edits, simple websites, simple social media posts. And beginners are willing to pay for simple help. Then comes tutoring. Listen carefully. You do not need to know everything to teach. You only need to know more than the beginner. That's why some students become teachers faster than experts. Because experts overcomplicate things. Then YouTube. This is where people fail before even starting. They think, I need expensive equipment. I need perfect English. I need confidence. No. People watch useful content more than perfect content. One useful video can change your entire life. And every video improves your communication, confidence, and skill automatically. Then jobs. Once you start applying your skill publicly, you build proof. Portfolio, experience, communication, confidence, and companies trust proof more than certificates. So understand this carefully. The internet is no longer rewarding only experts. It rewards people who take action. And honestly, most people watching this video already have a monetizable skill. They just underestimate themselves. So stop waiting to become perfect. Your current knowledge may not be enough to dominate, but it is definitely enough to start. And trust me, starting is the moment your life actually begins changing. If this made sense, follow for more simple stories like this, subscribe and stay consistent.